Now we will learn interesting lesson how to create a batch file, guys. Now right click desktop, create one text file. Before that, just you need to go to particular any folder. On the top you just click on view, guys. Check this mark, guys. Go to view, you need to check mark file extensions. So this is very important. Then you can see the file extension .txt. Now you just need to rename the txt to .bat file. So you have successfully created a batch file. Now right click, edit that, and you can enter all the DOS commands one by one here, guys. So now I will be showing some DOS command, simple DOS command. We can enter notepad, right? I enter as notepad around 16 times. Let's see what happens when I click on notepad. It has opened only one, but when someone clicks off, then again it's keep on opening, guys, in the back end. Now let me show another approach. Let me show some interesting if someone enters like shutdown -s-t, if someone tries to put this command in this, if someone double clicks, immediately system will be shutting down within a glance, guys. I'm not showing any like very important things here, like I'm just giving you some basics at this moment. Then I don't want to enter like lots of commands here. Now this is how, guys. So I don't want to click, my system will be immediately will shut down, like MS Paint, Notepad, MS Paint, Notepad, Calc. Let's see what happens. I enter these three and I'm saving it. MS Paint was opened, Notepad is opened, again calculator is opened. Can you see, guys, all one by one? In earlier days, what used to happen, when we double click, all will be opened at once, but now Windows has become more secure, and it knows the things, like it is trying to make sure that we don't open so many notepads at once. Once we close, as we entered 60 notepads, right? Earlier days 60 notepads used to open at once, but now it's taking some time because I am doing it after many days. So I just realized that these kind of protections I'm coming across. Yes, that's good. But however, this is something like old school approach, guys. With a batch file, no matter Windows is how much it is secured, we can still play with some or the other way using this.